I asked Skateboarding if she wanted to take our relationship to the next level. She said she just wanted to be friends. What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I got a broken heart skateboard that I made to commemorate my first love, which is skateboarding. Let's get in the project. Okay, to start things out, I got a real thin plywood with a wood grain veneer on it that I want to make the deck out of. And the objective behind that is that maybe the wood grain might show through when I'm done painting it. And then to make the wheels and trucks out of, I got this 1/4 inch MDF I'm going to use to make flat dimensional pieces out of. First things first, we got to get this thing drawn out and then cut to shape. Okay, so here are my two deck pieces. I've got an underside and I also have the grip tape side. What I'm going to do now is take an X-Acto knife and cut a little jagged line just through the first couple layers of plywood so then I can snap off the rest, and it should give me that splinter plywood effect that I want. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and break what I just painted. This thing came out to be about 14 inches wide by 16 inches tall. All in all, I like the way it came out. I'm gonna have it up for sale on my Big Cartel website, along with some other paintings that I have available. I'll have all that linked in the description below. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time. I was supposed to land it.